Alright guys, welcome back into a new video. Today I'm going to show you the way that I actually approach meme coins and make money in this market. And by the way bro, it's not what most people expect. I'm not trading or chasing fucking pumps. I'm deving and setting everything up myself. I am just launching on Pump.Fun, dumping it, and rinse and repeating. This approach has worked really fucking well for me and has brought me real profits over time. If you want to learn exactly how to play this market really smart and make money the smart way, let's get right into it. Devin meme coins on Pump.Fun got me this wallet, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do the same in today's video bro. I will be explaining the method step by step in today's video. Let's fucking get it. Now most people do not lose money in meme coins because they misunderstood the charts. They get drained because they only trade meme coins and they do not dev instead. They buy into a coin once the excitement is already there, and after that, the person who deved the coin completely sells into that demand. That's why advanced traders and recognizable KOLs are stepping away from trading and leaning into launching. Why? Because it's low risk and high rewarding. It costs literally $0 to make a meme coin bro, so all you can have is just fucking profits if people buy your coin, of course. Now when you trade meme coins bro, you are handing out your money to the creators, but when you launch your own coin, you are the one calling the shots. Now the process of launching a coin is simple. You just put the token live for completely free, you let buyers and traders come in naturally, and when the move feels right, you take profits on your own whenever you want. Now launching has become the new meta in 2026 because creating a meme coin on chain, like I said, costs practically $0. That's exactly how I built my crypto portfolio from the fucking start to right now, so keep watching because I will show you guys in today's video on how to launch your first token and how it could potentially turn into gains. All in today's video. I do not sell a stupid course. And obviously bro, like any other video, this video is for educational purposes only. It's all jokes, it's all AI, so please do not copy me. Cap! Now when it comes to actually making the meme coin bro, the platform that you want to be launching on is Pump.Fun/Radium. Now do not use Pump.Fun directly to launch meme coins. First of all, your meme coin needs to reach $55,000 for it to fucking migrate to Radium. That's the whole goal of a dev and to launch meme coins. But to do that on Pump.Fun bro, it takes too much luck, and honestly it's not possible because every single coin that you will launch will just flop. It's too oversaturated. And also bro, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your supply. You don't control your own liquidity pool and the fees are fucking annoying. That's why I use Create Meme.io to launch my meme coins. Now this launchpad removes all of those friction points and your token launches straight to Radium immediately, skipping the whole bonding curve progress, and it will reach active traders on Radium instantly, which will give your coin more volume, more transactions, more eyeballs, and just way more success. That's exactly why I launch and I used to gatekeep this method. Now to make a meme coin on Create Meme.io bro, you have two ways to do it. The first way is to create a coin from complete scratch on the home page. Now you need a name, a symbol, and an image, and you need a narrative to create that. So go on X and look for a narrative, look for an idea, look for anything that is trending. It could be literally anything, okay? I like to go for narrative tweets, sometimes news in the outside world, political news, anything. But once I have that news bro, I come back to create meme, I invent a name, I add a symbol, then I add a quick image, and just like that bro, your meme coin is up and running. But I personally use the copy trending coins all day to make my money personally, because all of these coins are going viral, they all have a good narrative on Pump.Fun, and they're all active right now with a bunch of buyers. That's why I copy these coins. So your job is to copy a coin here and launch it to Radium instantly, where you can bag a bunch of volume, and that's exactly what we're going to do into this video. But anyways, let's stop talking and let's head straight to the money. I will be copying a coin and we will see how much we can make in profits from this launch. Now first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. That's the first ever step. Then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I like to go for any coin. For example, I'm gonna copy the Pippin coin. It looks good, right? Click on create coin, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm I understand, then click on confirm, and then the coin will be copied shortly. Just give it some time. Boom. If I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it is live on chain, it's minted, everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking easy, okay? It's written right here. We are just creating the liquidity pool for Radium, right? It will show up right here and people will be able to buy in. Now for token A, okay, it's the first step. Click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens for the liquidity and the supply, okay? I would highly recommend 90%, okay? Now token B right under, this is the first buy right here, okay, for your first coin. On the first block, on the first launch, okay, this money will be in, okay, and that is how you make profits, right? Now the minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you remove the liquidity later, okay, it will come back to you. So okay, it's all good. I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, then click on create pool, wait for Phantom wallet to pop up, and then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the Pippin coin is on live and your profits are obviously right here. Now right now it is at $0, but if you click on refresh whenever you want, now you guys can see that it is going up. And yeah, bro, this is actually good. People are liking the coin and they're buying in. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, or Axum or Nova, it's up to you. Let me go on full screen to see the coin. Okay, boom, we're already up like 120 bucks right here. And as you guys can see, bro, it is live. We're already up 1.4k in market cap. If I had to guess, right, we would be up around $300, okay, from our supply and from the Pump.Fun creator fees, okay? Because if you guys did not know, bro, we are making money off of every single transaction from our supply and from the fees, okay? The fees are really important, okay? That is going in our pockets. Now, okay, things are looking good. Just give your coin some time for it to go up and up and up, and for more people to look at the coin and then potentially buy in. That's the whole point of deving. You have to be patient. Boom, it is now exploding. Okay, more people are seeing the coin and they are aping in. That is the art of deving. I love deving, bro. If you are not successful with trading, I would highly recommend to consider deving. Now I'm gonna give this coin some time for the pump. Oh my god, and I'll be right back. Okie dokie guys, I am back and we are pushing $10,000 already in market cap. Now before it retraces, right, we are going to cash out. So come back to create meme.io when you are ready. And obviously, bro, the funnest part of it all, click on refresh. And okay, we're up 1.6 thousand, which is not too shabby. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, then wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. And as you guys can see, guys, we are going to receive 13 Solana. Click on confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you do it from my perspective. Now if you open your Phantom wallet, well, my Phantom wallet, boom, I received 13 SOL, 1.6 grand. Even though the markets are kinda dead, well, deving is not dead, okay? You guys can see proof right here. And by the way, bro, it's all for educational purposes only, okay? It is not a get rich quick scheme. Maybe the first coin might flop, it might do only $100, but maybe the second one will go viral. You never know. Anyways, create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below. And if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, just like, comment, subscribe, join my Discord, join my Telegram group down below for more information, and good luck to everyone. Peace out.